in today's class we shall go with the last page replacement algorithm known as LRU. Okay, what is this? LRU stands for least recently used. Okay, this is the last page replacement algorithm. So this algorithm, it is basically working with this, where we are going to replace the page from the memory which is least used. Okay, as the name itself indicating, LRU stands for least recently used. We are going to replace the page which has been used less number of the times into the main memory, right? This is what an LRU, right? And another important point that you need to remember with respect to our remaining page algorithm, in case of OPR, I told you there is a one difference between OPR and LRU. In optimal page replacement, where we are going to replace the page which is not used for the longest period of time in the main memory, in case of forward checking, right? We are going to replace the page from the main memory which is not used for the longest period of time by checking with respect to a forward direction, right? Whereas in case of our least recently used, in case of LRU, what we are doing, we are going to replace the page which is not used for the longest period of time, or else replace the page which is used for the less number of time is in a backward direction, right? This is what an important note I have mentioned here. In this algorithm, the backward checking is done. In case of OPR, it was forward checking. Got the meaning of it, right? So this is just an opposite of the OPR replacement algorithm. Or as you can read out this. In this algorithm, replace the page which is not being used for the longest time in the main memory is the one which is being selected for the replacement. That's what the meaning of it. We are just going to replace the page which is not used for the longest period of time by keeping the concept of the backward direction, right? Let us implement this thing by considering that example, right? So here I have used a page reference string is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 6 and 2. How many number of the pages we have here? What is the total number of the pages? 9. Total number of the pages are 9, and each and every page reference string is divided into 3 frames, right? Now let us implement it by using a LRU method. How do we do it normally? Each and every page reference string has to be divided into, as the question is given divided into 3 frames, therefore the first main memory is divided into 3 frames and start referencing with the first page, right? Which is our first page? First. This is the first page, right? We have allocated. After this, which is the next page? 2 is there. Again divide main frame. And next page reference is 2. And again divide the main memory into 3 sections. And this is the second page. Therefore, what we do it? We are going to allocate at the second page. This is to be kept as it is. Again, third frame, third. Similarly, 1 has to be kept as it is, 2 has to be kept as it is. This is the third page. Therefore, we are going to allocate at the third page. Right? This is simple. I told you. First 3 frames means first 3 page reference will be allocated very easily without any issues. Right? If it is in case of 4 means, the main frame is to be divided into 4 sections and start allocating at each and every page, single page into a single frame. Got it? Now we are dealing with the 3 frames, therefore this is the case, right? Now next, which is this? 4th is the page. Now the actual algorithm works. According to LRU, what did I told? We are going to replace the page from the main memory which is not used for the longest period of time, right? And how we are going to do? By checking into the backward direction, right? Earlier in OPR, how we would have done? So this is an entering page and we would have checked the 1, 2, 3 into this forward direction, right? Now LRU, what we are doing? Into the backward direction. Again divide the memory into 3 sections. 4 is the incoming. Now check 1, 2, 3 into the backward. Which is the page which is used for the less number of time? 1, 2 or 3? 3 is less number of time is this. but which is staying for the longest period of time and which is not used in the future, obviously 1. Therefore, in case of 1, which we are going to replace, 4 is being replaced. Rest of the 2 has to be kept as it is. Next, divide the frame. And which is entering page? 2 is entering page, right? And this page and the available in the page, if it is same, then we say it as a hit ratio, right? This is also 2. In the memory also we have a 2. Therefore, there is a hit ratio. What do? We simply copy paste the thing and write the page reference as it is. Is that clear? Right. Now next, which is the entering page? 1. Again check the same thing. 1 is the page entrance. 4, 2, 3. Again check. You should start entering, checking it from the previous point, right? 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Among this, which is going to be not used? If we are going to replace 4 means immediately it is done. Therefore, it is not possible to replace. If we are replacing 2, it is not possible because 2 has arrived twice, right? If one, there are 2 possibilities. Let me tell you. If I am going to replace 2, what it is going to happen here? Because 2 is appearing once again here, but 3 has appeared only once, right? Therefore, if we replace 3 and place it here 1, 4 and 2 has to be kept as it is, right? So this is the page which has been occurring twice, but this is the page which is not occurring at all in the future, in the backward direction, right? If 3 would have been again placed here means we could have thought of replacing 2, like that, right? Which page is there and which is not used in the future in the backward direction, we are going to think in that way. And we are going to replace and allocate 1 over here. Now next, which is the page? 5th is the page, right? Now check, this is the entering page and 4 to 1. Start checking from the first previous page. 4 to 1. 1 is already allocated, we cannot replace. 2 is just now allocated, we cannot replace. Of course, the left out thing is 4 page, which is being not used, right? Therefore, replace the 4 and we have to keep 5. This is 2 and 1. Got it? Now next, which is the page? 6. Again divide this into 3 frames and this is an entering page 5 to 1. Check from these. 5 has immediately entered, it is not possible. 2 is been at the 3rd place and 1 is at the 2nd place. Now in the checking with the backward direction, which is the page which is been there for the longest period of time and it is used, obviously 2 comes here, right? Because before to that 2, 1 is there, but immediately we have placed and we cannot replace it, right? That's why what we do is, in place of 2, we write down 6 and 5 and 1 has to be kept as it is. Is that clear? Right. Now which is the last page? 2 is the last page. Again check out from the forward direction. 5, 6, 1. 6, no. 5, no. 1 has to be replaced. In place of 1, which have to place? 2, 5, 6, 2. 5, 6, 2. Now tell me how many number of the page faults that we are finding out?
8 page faults.
8 page faults and how many hit ratios?
1.
This is how an LRU works.